Hey, and welcome back to World Ocean Day for Schools. We're so excited to see so many new faces from around the world, 76 countries and counting. My name's Inka Cresswell and I'll be your guide for the day. I'm going to introduce you to some amazing people, share more about the global experiment that you can join, and show you all the incredible activities you can take part in today. But first things first, let me introduce myself. I'm a wildlife filmmaker, underwater photographer, and passionate ocean conservationist. I first fell in love with the ocean rock pooling in my hometown of Brighton. But after studying marine biology at university, I had the opportunity to explore our oceans all around the world. There's nowhere I'm happier than underwater. It's my favorite place to explore. My adventures have led me to every corner of our oceans, from the deep sea all the way to Antarctica. I've worked with great white sharks, dived in giant kelp forests, helped plant corals in the Caribbean, and even swam with oceanic mantas. I'm so excited to have you all here learning about my favorite place on Earth, the ocean. Our mission at World Ocean Day for Schools is to help connect kids all around the world with their local blue spaces and inspire them to become ocean advocates. All our local blue spaces, like rivers, lakes, and streams, connect us to the ocean, so you can protect the ocean no matter where you live. This year, we're exploring something really important: what it means to be a good blue human. Let's watch this animation to find out more.
Hello, friends. I've been thinking recently about what it means to be a good blue human. You're probably wondering, what does that mean? Well, we're all watery beings, aren't we? Deeply connected to the ocean. So being a good blue human means understanding this incredible relationship and knowing that we all have a vital role to play in taking care of the planet, of ourselves, and of each other. There are 3 simple ways to do it: being, doing, and connecting. The being is about knowing who you are and how you show up every day in the world. The doing is all the amazing things you can do to take care of the ocean. And the connecting is about making sure you spend plenty of time outside at your local blue space. Our Blue is a world-first global experiment to help us understand how we can all become good blue humans. You can join the experiment by adding your blue space to the map and working your way through the activities. Ready to join the crew and become more blue? Head to worldoceanday.school to register today.
Shall we take a look at the Our Blue experiment? It's really easy to take part, and there are 6 amazing activities for you to do. The experiment is based on 3 themes: being, doing, and connecting. You start your journey by adding your blue space to the map and signing the manifesto. The Marine Identity Quiz will help you learn more about your own values and how to use them to be a good blue human. Will you be a mimic octopus, a tiger shark, phytoplankton, or a sardine? Take the quiz today to find out. All our ocean heroes have deep confidence in their ability to make a difference. Join the Deep Confidence Workshop to learn 4 ways to help build yours. The Marine Citizenship Scale will help you learn how to play an active part in keeping the ocean environment sustainable for generations to come. See how many points you get and answer the question, how blue are you? Why not learn how to do a sit spot, a simple but powerful nature connection exercise that helps create a sense of belonging in your local blue space? How about building an action plan to take care of your local beach, lake, river, or stream? We'll give you a whole bunch of useful questions to help come up with an amazing plan. And finally, learn how to create a memory map, a beautiful way to capture your favorite memories of your local blue space. Wow, what a lot of cool stuff to do, and don't forget, each completed activity will help us collect data and learn how we can all become good blue humans. I think it's time we say hello to our friends at the Ocean Conservation Trust in Plymouth, on the south coast of the